Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Last evening, Shanique Singh was crowned Miss Jamaica World 2022. Lanisha Davis was placed second, while Tajay Bennett placed third. Shanique gave an impressive response in the anticipated question and answer segment at last night's show.
The question is, are beauty pageants still relevant? If yes, tell us how.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, indeed, beauty pageants are still relevant today. Aside from the beauty aspect, it's much more than that. The motto of the Miss Jamaica World pageant is beauty with a purpose, and that is about using your internal and external beauty to have a purpose, to create change in the world, to create change in your country. It's more than just a beauty pageant. It is the voice for the voiceless.
During the course of the pageant, Singh won 2 titles in the fast track events, winning the Fort Clarence Beach Beauty and Serengeti Talent competitions. Shanique is a 25-year-old student of the University of the West Indies. Congrats. Now, Dancehall entertainer Idonia and his wife Kimberly Megan are mourning the death of their son, King Caliph Lawrence. Over the weekend, Caliph lost his battle with cancer. E Prime sends condolences to the family and friends. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.